how much custom charge them, because custom probably charge them a little bit of money, and them all charging a big money for clear the package, and them all telling us that because customs they charge them this is what custom charge them.
So find hard. Things are only hard and don't tell on yourself say it's hard. If you make up your mind and say you watch, you know, you're going to work for what you want. Just put your mind for your work and do what you have to do. You see, especially in Canada, your family.
Pleasant day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, big up on yourself. Happy Thursday. You don't know. Yeah, the boss is here again. Alright. So, yesterday, we put a clip in one of my videos where one lady explained when she buy things online, it's like them a charge her a arm and a leg and a shipping company, them a rip off people. Alright, so I get about 5 phone calls from some people. I say, them have the same problem. So I'm saying in the comments, when you buy things overseas and you ship it off to Jamaica, is it you have to pay an arm and a leg to get it? Let me know. Because the lady explained something and I never know so much people watch the part of the video and them highlight it and then say, we need to speak about it. So I'm going to play back a video before we reach to the next story. Drive and listen.
Alright, so right now I make one video because I'm upset, right? I'm not the one to come on social media come talk about certain things, right? But I'm extremely upset, right? You see, some of them shipping place here, them literally get too bad. Them I get from bad to work. And easy parcel, this is for you because I'm a sicker owner, right? So now when me get for understand, right? So these shipping company, Easy Parcel and other shipping company out there has been doing this, right? So if you purchase a package and the package come, right, they tell you that, say for example, you purchase one package now and you probably pay like $100 or whatever the package cost may be, right? When they come now, the will tell us, oh, you have to pay probably $17,000 or $15,000 to clear the package and stuff like that. Yeah, so when time ever them telling us that amount of money for your package, we don't have to just take it and run. So we have to ask them for custom C number. There is a C number, there's an invoice, right? Make them provide invoice to know to see exactly how much custom charge them, because custom probably charge them a little bit of money and them all charging a big money for clear the package, and them all telling us that because customs they charge them this is what custom charge them, so they have to charge you back and stuff like that. When I rob them, and I found that out today. Right, I found that out today, and then after I call this company, right, I'm gonna ask them for the C number and stuff. This girl, I come tell me, so the only way them can get the C, me can get the C number is if custom detained the package. Some say no, that don't make no sense, because once you do a transaction or whatever, there should be an invoice. She'll say no, that's the only way you get invoices if custom detain the package. So I call customs, and this is what I get to understand that they have been doing. So if custom say a $20 to clear the package, them tell us $100. Them too wicked. So each time when you go on shipping place for collect on a package, John just run with the price of them give you. Make them show you the C number of to how much money them pay for clear the package to custom, because them place are too wicked. When you too wicked, imagine you pay probably $100 for one package. Right, you pay $100 for one item overseas, and when the package returns, you pay almost $100 to clear it. That makes sense? When it's too wicked, wickedness can't done.
So are the shipping company them are the problem? Or custom? Because remember me dep online and I look for a car for buy, and when I look on the car was like 10,000 US, 10,500. Alright, so when I do the quoting, I may link somebody work up a WAF, I mean them at all. Them say, yo, if you pay 10.5, as in 10,500, and so by the time if you clear it and ship it off, you have to pay about I think it's about 80%. Can you go off of the value? Alright, so I understand that. But the shipping company then when you ship off things and them get it for you and so it's like an arm and a leg them a take. You understand? And so if you go buy something overseas and I pay double the price in Jamaica when it clear, it doesn't make any sense to me. Unless something is of importance that you need it. But I know in the comment section one thing, if you want to experience something and I want to ever clear a barrel, alright, I understand. When I clear barrel, it's like 18,000 for everything, custom fee, everything. And a whole heap of things in it. So I understand the difference when you buy 2 something or 3 or and ship it, or it's expensive. I don't know the maths there. How about you, I send off one little routes to somebody over in a New York. I when take a stack, the fee was 100 US and the bottle was $4,000 for the bottle. And I say, I don't understand the maths there. But anyway, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you don't have any problem like that, and I could just highlight it and we can talk about it. Alright? So I'm going to move on to the next story. Remember, if you like the video, if you reach this far, comment and let me know what you think.
Family, no make nobody discourage you, not telling you about foreign hard. Things are only hard and not tell yourself say it hard. If you make up your mind and say you watch you know, you're going to work for what you want. Don't put your mind for your work and do what you have to do. Forget what you want. And nothing of that out, no handout no there. Then, family, let me tell you this. You see, especially in Canada, your family, opportunities are here for youths, especially young. Yeah, man, all people no opportunity are there for. Because, to be honest, nobody want all somebody to come working at them in their business. People want young people. Then, so opportunity there. Then, I said the opportunity them family are the Indian them take over the whole line. I wish every youth from Jamaica, the Caribbean could have come and get and could take over some of them opportunity. When we see the Indian them take over family. Big man thing, me now go around you know. Then, when I do why this industry right now with youth. See, that's why I always employ every youth at Jamaica, learn a trade. And I think the government should make it mandatory for every youth learn a trade. Then, yeah, man. Every school is supposed to be mandatory. You learn a trade, zine. So if you left Jamaica and you say, right, bam, you can come out in a foreign country, you can come survive. Because family, let me tell you, man, enough of them country work there, zine. Work there. Because right now, in a Canada family, you see all the trucking industry is a big industry. So you see all of the man that are Jamaica, all that drive truck and them thing there, and I make some local mediocre money. Most them could have come and foreign come make some money for the trucking industry. Yeah, man. Because the trucking industry pay good and you get long hours, zine. Where you can take care of yourself and take care of your family. Then, you see the construction thing, family, renovation over here is a big thing. Then, and if youth goes up, especially all the youth who can do tiling, then, and you can make crazy money out of tiling, then, a youth who can do electrician, in come of them place here, he can make money, then, yeah man. The man that Jamaica where say them put up 1,100 blocks a day. That not gonna work a fine because foreign house and Jamaica house different. Zane. But me I tell you now the area them. Zane. You see all women in our yard we can do here good, all the barber them rotted. Me I tell you, the industry they have to make money, you see me? But some people when some come on social media, they now come telling you how to make money, you know. Then, because they want, if you don't there all the time, I call them and I call them and if you beg them for them disgrace on the name. And them thing there. You see me, but you see me, I'm not one of them youth, I'm one of the youth, I'm going to tell them, say, yo, watch out, man. For you come and find you link up with the right people, them, man. How you talk about, man? Things can work. But if you link up with the wrong people, them, you get discouraged. You see me, and you go cry the same story like everybody else say, find hard. Not easy where you go, family, man. Not easy, man. And you have to make up your mind, man, and tell you, say, watch out, I want this.
Canada, here I come. I'm coming to Canada. I make up my mind. Canada, here I come. I go check out him. I come to Canada for a better life. But anyway, guys, him nail it and him talk a whole heap of facts. There's enough people are foreign. Let me tell you about foreign rough because enough of them don't want you to come. You understand? Me don't say no rough no, but everybody fi get an equal chance. Make you go over there and get your luck and my luck might different. My ambition when me have and my aim might different from you. You understand? But some people love to discourage people. Everybody can get a slice of the cake when you have ambition. You understand? And there's no way Jamaica can better than none of them foreign islands. Them not afraid to talk. Them better in a whole heap of way. Yes, them have more bills and whatever, but you can work and see yourself. When you come back to Jamaica, come ready to sort out your life. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. That's about it. I'm out of here. Let me know in the comment section when you think I'm out.